All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Yellow Wave Live Master Trading Channel. My name is Philippe. I'm the trader on this channel. Today is January 5th, 2021. Or okay, did not trade yesterday. The market was too volatile. Usually, when it's either positive 18 or negative 18, I stay away. It is just too volatile and choppy. Pretty hard to make money. All right, let's get the disclaimer out of the way. Any views expressed in this channel, LOA Master YouTube channel, those of the author only. Any communications for informational discussion, entertainment purposes only, does not constitute investment advice, nor is an incentive to invest or an offer to buy or sell futures commodities or solicitation to buy or sell any investment product slash asset in any class, jurisdiction. Any views, valuations ever expressed or quoted buy or sell trades are only estimates, are subject to change. All investment ideas discussed in this channel may evoke high risk, and there is a possibility of total loss, or that losses may exceed the amount invested. It is the sole responsibility of the viewer to ensure that she or he complies with all applicable laws and regulations. LOA Master Channel is not a licensed investment advisor or a commodity trend advisor, as is licensed as such of any federal or state regulatory agency. Investors and traders are responsible for their own investment slash trading decisions, including entries, exit, and the use of stop. Others are responsible for any loss or damage arising from or connection to the use of any information from this channel. So basically, if you follow our trades, you do so at your own risk. Always use a stop. All right. Okay. Gonna wait until 7 o'clock to start looking at trades. Make sure that initial balance is over. All right. Let's see what's going on with the other markets. Crude is wow. Crude is up $2. All right, I'm gonna take a quick short read here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. Right, already up 700 on that trade. And may keep going. Wow, it's so volatile. Man. Man, it's crazy. You guys take a look at your dome, you just see that everything's everywhere. It is insane right now. Wow, it is way too volatile. All right, guys, I'm gonna wait at least half an hour here. It is out of control. It is everywhere. All right, guys, I'm just gonna wait a little bit, or I'm not gonna take any more trades. It is just way too volatile. It's insane. Well, let's see if we can go for a quick scalp right here. All right, this starting to lose a little bit of momentum here. Here we go. Here we go. A tiny bit more buying, but they're starting to lose steam here. All right, we may see a drop now. Sellers are starting to take a little bit of control here. Here we go. All right, we may have a move to the downside now. Let's see. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Here, I think it's going to start falling now. Here we go. Come on. Market still needs to correct from yesterday. There's no correction at all. So we're looking for an ABC down now. I'm trying to break this. Could also turn into a wave 3. So 1, 2, 3 down. So if it turns into a 3 down, let's see where it would go. And this is where it would go. So we're looking for a wave 3 to the downside. Come on, come on. That's where we're going right there, guys. That's where we're trying to hit right there. So I think it starts from right here. So this is just probably a flat, a little correction. Then we start at 1, 2, 3 down. Oh, I don't want to do that. Perfect little ABC to make a wave 2, and boom, down. Market is -2. It needs to correct. So that's what we're going for. Buyers are starting to lose steam. Just pick up a little momentum here, and that'll be it. But we're definitely going to have some heat at 40. So if you're scalping, you may want to get out at 40. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here comes the sellers. But usually after a day like yesterday, volatile like that, you should usually wait at least 2 days to trade. And if you are going to trade, you need to trade smaller amounts. Don't exceed your contract amount. That first trade, I saw an opportunity, so I took it. But otherwise, it's going to be just ones, no twos. So if I see it have a hard time pass through 40, I will just get out as a market order. I'll just hit my close button. Alright, so we're seeing a diagonal up. That's not good, but let's hope that we break to the downside here. But this is right here, full on. But it's most likely it's just an ABC. A, B, C up, wave 3 down. That is what's the clearest to me. But you never know, I could be completely wrong about this. But buyers are losing steam. Come on, come on. No, here they come again. Alright, we have a VWAP and a block at 46.5. Let's see if we could hold them out up there. Alright, sellers are trying to take control. Alright, if we get out of this, if we get stopped, that will still be positive about 400. Alright, let's see if VWAP and the roadblock at 40. Okay, I'm gonna raise it one more tick just for good measures. Oh, gone. Alright, we're still positive 420. Alright, it's still way too volatile. Yeah, I may not take any more trades. I mean, look at your dome. It's just all of a sudden bids and asks will just disappear and just, yeah, it's insane. Yeah, usually need minimum of 2 days after a day like yesterday. Looks like the NQ is correcting, but gold's having a hard time. Alright, I'm going to try it one more time here. Let's go south. So this could still be valid as a wave 2. We still have not passed wave 1 territory, so it's still valid. Oh, I went the wrong side. I'm trying to go short here. Oh. What the hell was I doing? Almost made a mistake. No, I'm going south. Sorry about that, gang. I'm going south. Alright, guys, I'm gonna take a half-hour break here. Alright. It is just way out of control. Okay? Half-hour break. Sound off and video off. Or I'll just wait here, but yeah, it is. I'm working some of my charts here, but it is just, I need this initial balance to come down a little bit. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna reset my charts. I'm gonna turn off my connection here. Alright, I'm turning off my connection. I need to do an upgrade here on my Ninja. This will keep me away from the market a little bit here. It is just way too volatile and I do not want to get chopped up. I'm having some issues here. Okay. Yeah, anytime you see your dome just go insane like that, just having blank spaces, you don't want to be trading. All right, so let me reload here. Still going a little bit crazy, but the dome looks a little better. All right, still loading for charts to load. All right, something happened with my connection. No, it's still on. Why did I say connection lost? Nope, I lost connection. Alright, let me try it again. Alright, now it's back on. Alright, it's back on. Yeah, I'm in no hurry here, guys. I may not even trade anymore. It's just we don't have to trade every day. You know, it's if you have a mentality that you need to trade every day, you need to find a hobby, or you need to go play some poker. Yeah, Dome is still pretty wild. This may not come down. Wow, look at the NQ. That is insane. It's doing 2-3 points like it's nothing. Yeah, guys, I may not take a trade here. Oh, I don't even know if it's casting because I turned it off. Is it? Yeah. I'm just working some of my charts here, just waiting for the market to come down a little bit. Hope everybody had a good passage to the new year. Happy New Year to everybody. Um, I do not trade Top Step. I have my own individual account. I'm just here trying to help people who are trying to trade Top Step or Leeloo or whatever the other companies are. I have blown many accounts in the past, and I'm just trying to give back their craft. So it's not, but I do follow. I try to follow Top Step rules as far as being out of the market when there's a report, so I can show you where to re-enter a trade if we are on a trade. And if I'm not caught on a trade, I will try to get out of the market. Also at 11:09, which would be my time to exit if I was a Top Step trader. So, yeah. I've been trading for a long time. So when I started trading, there was no Top Step. But I think it's a great service. I think there's lots of really talented, really talented traders out there that don't have the actual means to fund their own account, and that's how all of the old, most of the old traders on the pit actually started to trade. It was either the father that was trading, the uncle, it was someone in the family that usually got them to start, as a junior trader or an assistant. I started as an assistant in the pit. My brother had a seat in the exchange, and I was his assistant when I was started at 17. Now these days, most of the traders are coming out of college with some type of economic or business degree, so it's totally different from back in the day. All right, still a little volatile here. And I'm not here to make money off of YouTube either. I'm not trying to get a thousand people to watch me trade. If that ever happens, I will close shop. I just put the chat on because last Friday, or was it Wednesday, my sound was off, and I traded for about 2 hours without the sound. The plug on the mic was kind of not fully connected, so I'm just turning the chat on now, so in case there's no sound, someone can give me a sound check. But otherwise, I really don't have time to chat. I need to be focusing on trading. Seems like everything's okay now. Just loading some support and resistant areas here. I mean, I'm seeing all kinds of trades, but it's just when it's the market, when the market is so volatile, usually it doesn't follow any pattern. So we need to be very careful. All right, so I'm already up 320. So it looks like the market just did an ABC, ABC up. So the target on that would be at 51.6. Let's see if that happens. All right, thanks, Kraft. All right, just hit target. Let's see it. It could turn into a wave 3. If it turns into a wave 3, it's going to go all the way up to 56.4. This may go all the way up to. So here is 3. If it turns into a 3, that's where it's going to go. It could stop right here at 53.1, which is going to be a maximum C. So A, B, C, maximum C. So you could take a scalp and go all the way to 53.1. Market's already up 5. But I would wait for a little. I would wait for a little pullback here. Usually when it hits minimum C, usually it does a, it could be anywhere between a point, or it could be just the end of the trade. But our target was 51.5. So I am not going to show all of my trades anymore. Last month, it was the first time that I did that. And it's kind of unrealistic for a person who's trying to go through a combine or is funded. I mean, a couple of times at the end of the month, I was trading 8 contracts. So I may be sluggish in some trades because I'm going to obviously put my trade on first. I'm sorry. But I need to take care of Papa first. But I will call out the trade. But as far as putting it on the chart, I'm going to have to put my trade first. And I'm going to trade other instruments also. I just wanted to be as realistic as possible for you guys. So I have 2 accounts here open, so I'll be trading my main account, and then on the secondary live account I'll be doing my streaming. Alright, so it bounced off of 51.5. See, and that is why I said don't go long. You can't, but I wouldn't have. And now you see why. I already lost almost 3 points. All right, market's starting to slow down a little bit, but it seems like it's following the NQ, and the NQ is still very volatile. It is insane. All right, NQ also just did an ABC, and it's could be going for a 701 target. All right, I'm taking an NQ short, which I'm not going to show, but I'm looking for a target of 701.50. All right, so the long on gold is still valid because the original entry on it was at 48.9. The stop was at 47.9, and target was 51.1. So again, it may turn into a wave 3 to the upside, and that's the target right up there. So market is positive, so it could be a good trade. But I think the NQ is trying to do a little correction from the overnight. So if gold is following the NQ, it could be a mistake to go long. could go back up. Now we may just be stuck within a range here. So we closed a total of 2 gaps this morning. So we closed yesterday's gap, the close, and we also opened up to the upside. We closed that gap too. All right, seems like seeing more selling than buying. And now obviously has switched, they're starting to buy again. Well, crude, could have made a bundle on crude this morning. But it was mostly at the opening. Big gap on crude also. Wow. Yesterday closed at $47 with 32 cents. It opened up at 49. All right, we may start see a drop now in Q. It's going a little lower. Oh, and here comes NQ again. All right, so gold has mellowed out a little bit, but you got to be very careful with market orders because the dome is so scattered. All right, let's see if gold wants to follow the NQ. NQ just exploded up almost 15 points. All right, we're still up 320. All right, in about an hour and a half, I'm going to have to make a couple personal phone calls, so I'll be on the air, but mute and video will be off. So we may be seeing a little reaction from as far as Donald Trump and all that Georgia stuff, so it may be influencing the volatility of the market a little bit. Right, there could be a buying opportunity on the NQ. If anybody wants to take it, it would be long right now on the NQ. Small target at 7.25, but it's already, the stop would be, it's already stopped out. Yeah, I just did an ABC. Okay, so we could be on that wave two to the downside on gold. But it may have happened from here. This maybe is the wave two, or this here could be a 1, 2, 3 down. But it might have already reached target. Let's see. Let me do some calculations here. Well, target would be at 45 even. So again, when the market is very volatile like this, you definitely only want to be taking one lot trades, one contract only. You guys, I think I'm gonna call it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades. It's just, yeah, my dome is just insane. I mean, I don't know if you guys have level 2 or not, but look at your dome. I mean, the bids are so scattered. It's just moving so fast that They're just pulling and entering bids and offer like crazy. There are times that I need to go, as a market order, and you just get scalped one whole point if the bid or the offer disappears. Yeah, on the chart it looks nice and slow and all fine, but the dome is pretty erratic. Yeah, it's definitely feeding off of the. All right, I'm gonna take a quick long right here. I'm gonna go for 1 point scalp up. Let's see if we could do an ABC up. All right, let's see if NQ could drive this gold trade up. Come on, let's go. So we're just looking for an ABC up. Right, I don't trust this market at all, so I'm going to bring stop to entry. I'll probably get stopped out here. But there's some support on the NQ at 709. So this may help our trade here. Unless, oh, no, they just went and took it out. All right, I'm getting out. Oh, target failed. All right, so I'm up 410. All right, I'm gonna take a short right here real quick. Let's see if we could do a wave 3 out of this. So we're looking for a wave 3, which is going to be right here. Would be nice if we get a help from the NQ. That's our target right there. So we're going against the grain, so high risk trade. So it could stop at the ABC, which would be 45.9. So if you don't want to risk, I suggest getting out at 45.9. So this is what I'm seeing. So all of this here is wave 1, and then A, B, C, and now wave 3. I'll give myself a little more room here, just in case. But be very careful. We're going against the grain. This is advanced trade because we're going against the grain, against the trend. So again, this is wave 1. So right here is probably 1 for A, B, C, wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2. All right, it needs to stop right now, otherwise we are wrong about this. All right, giving some of the profit back, a lot of our profit back. Oh, NQ is dropping, so let's see if we can get some help. NQ is almost negative. YM and ES already negative. Let's hope they're not hedging with gold. So people usually think that they hedge with gold. Most of the time they don't. No, there it is. I'm going to try one more time. We just did a maximum C. Let's see if that does the trick. Guys, if I get stopped out, I may call it a day here. It is too volatile and it's not following any patterns. So this is still valid as a wave 2. A wave 2 is only canceled once it passes the beginning of wave 1, which is that swing up right there. So that would be 51.9. Or is it 6? I think it's look at a 1 minute, but I think it's 9. Okay, they're trying to block the NQ from going negative. All right, again, it could stop at 45.9. All right, it's going to turn on. It's going to turn on right now. No, I'm going to give myself a little more room here, but be very careful doing this. All right, looks like NQ is having a hard time going negative, and this could be affecting our gold trade. Alright, may get stopped out here. NQ is cruising up again. Alright, is there any, forgot to check if there's any reports today or not. I'll make sure. Oh, no. Tomorrow we have crude, natural gas on Thursday, and unemployment at 5 a.m. on Friday. Alright, so nothing today that we need to worry about. Alright, we need NQ to drop. Come on, NQ. So there's a roadblock at 51 and one at 51.2. So this is maximum C. It looks like it's holding. Here is the ABC to the downside. So maximum C on the downside is 45.1, which coincides with a previous wave 3 target. Alright, ES is positive again, so is the YM. This may hurt our trade. Alright, so this may turn into a wave 3 to the upside. If it does, obviously it's going to stop us out. And the target on that would be, first target would be at 52.7. And that previous one would be extended wave 3. All right, looks like we're gonna get stopped out here, and yeah, guys, I think I may call it a day here. It is just not going my way. Start out plus 700, and here I am. I get stopped out. I'm gonna be plus 50. Yeah, I'm giving way too much money back, and I don't want to start with a negative day here on my first day of the year. Let's see if we just got saved here. We might have just gotten saved. It may be a good idea to step out of this trade if it goes back to zero. All right, it may start to drop now. Okay, there could be a buying opportunity on the NQ. I wouldn't take it, but if anybody wants it, it could be yeah, it could be a good one. It's a short one. Target's a 747. Stop would be at 33. All right, if it's gonna drop right now. Nope. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day here. Um, positive 30. I went from being positive 700 to positive 30. So it looks like it's just gonna be a choppy day. I mean, look at it. It's in a range, and that's when you get killed. You don't know a ranging day like this when it's inside of a channel. That's algo and market maker heaven. So they'll fake you out. They'll make it look like it's gonna make a new high, and then they'll drop it in your face, and they'll go all the way to the bottom, and they'll make it look like it's gonna make a new low, and then you go short, and you just get chopped up. So I'm choosing to stay out. All right, and I suggest you do the same. Yeah, I just don't see anything happening. Well, it did make a wave 3 the upside. All right, let me watch it a little more here. Let's see if we could break out of this channel. So it may want to do a wave 4. Make sure here that this is what I'm seeing. Just trying to crunch some numbers here. Okay, so this was a mini 3, which was from here. So wave 1, 2, no, wave 1, 2, A, no, A, B, C, wave 1, 2. So it would be from here, 1, 2, 3 up. And then if we do a wave 1 here, 2, A, B, C, 2 down, that would cause a wave 3 to be even higher all the way up here, all the way to 60. The market is only up 5.7 points, 5.7. So another 8 points, yeah, very doable. But it may want to do a little correction from doing this wave 3 here. So it would be, where do we get in? So here's wave 4. attempt to take a little scalp here. All right, I'm going to take a scalp right here. Let's see if we can make this work. So there's a roadblock at 54.9. So let's see if we could at least reach that. Guys, I need to do a restroom break. I'll be right back. All right, that worked out. Awesome. So it definitely looks like it's following the NQ. I'm going to take an NQ trade. I'm going to be going long at 739. Haven't gotten filled yet. And my target's going to be at 746. Alright, so we went a little higher so we could still do a wave 2 to the downside. I'm sorry, a wave 4. So our wave 4 went up a little bit because we went higher. Yeah, maybe going for a scalp here on gold. Looks like there is a roadblock at 55, so this may attract the market up to 55. Alright, I'm gonna go for it. Looking to get filled one tick under. So whenever you have a contested target, make sure that you are one tick before. So you're first in line. Alright, now the NQ is dropping, so this may hurt us. Yeah. The NQ is making it very hard on us to trade gold. Alright, I'm gonna have to move stop to entry. I just don't trust it. I'm out. Alright, up 140. Oh, and there it goes back up again. Yeah, very tricky day. hit target. Alright, we're gonna see if we could do a wave 4 here. Since I hit a roadblock. I'm not gonna go all the way down to I'm not gonna go all the way down to 4. I'm just gonna do a scalp. But if you're inclined, you could probably go all the way down. Alright, looks like the NQ is helping us on this one. Come on, let's go. Here we go, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Come on. Oh man, that came so close. It almost hit. Alright, I gotta move stop to entry. Looks like NQ may want to move up. Man, that sucks. It was right on it. It was right on it. I think it came one tick away. One tick away. I hate when that happens. One tick away. Right, I'm going to try again. See if we can get some help on the NQ here. Come on, NQ. What time is it? 9 o'clock. I've got 2 hours left in the cash market. All right, NQ is trying to drive south again. Come on, let's go. Yeah, but that 60 looks very doable. There's a whole bunch of roadblocks up there. There's a 207 lot order up there at 1960. Well, that's definitely gonna be a magnet. Alright, I'm starting to get scared out of this trade here. So it may not want to correct. Okay, here we go. Oh, it hit. It hit again. Second time that our target gets hit. Doesn't fill. Oh no, I was looking at the wrong trade. I'm sorry. I'm looking at another dome trade that I'm taking. All right, we're close here. Yeah, again, I'm not gonna show all of my trades anymore. I want it to be as realistic as possible for you guys. Yeah, what's the point of me showing you that I'm taking a 8 contract trade when you can only trade with one? Yeah, this sucks. All right, so it may not want to correct. And now it comes down. Yeah, we're still inside of this range. Just went a little higher, but now we're starting to have some consolidation here. And look at the NQ driving south. All right, still up 140. All right, I'm gonna go for a long. Let's see if we can reach 160. Extremely advanced trade as far as risk, because it should want to correct. Myself a little more room here. Let's see if this area of Consolidation holds. All right, I'm gonna have to make a personal phone call here. All right, guys, I need to make. Oh shit, we're gonna get stopped out. So I was counting on that support, but it broke through support, so we still have a chance here. But nope. Yeah, this sucks. You know, guys, I'm done. I am done. Just had enough of it. Believe it or not, I'm at zero. So I'm gonna leave it at that. My first trade, I made $700, and then it just went to shit. So it is just too volatile. It's going off of the NQ, which is insanely volatile and choppy. So I'm gonna call it a day. I tried, and and now look at that. It goes all the way to 4. Yep. So yeah, it's not moving like it should, and I don't want to risk any money, and I don't want anyone else to take any of my trades and risk their money either. So yeah, I'm done. So thank everyone for watching, and hopefully we'll see you all tomorrow. All right? Yeah, all I lost was commission, so I'm okay with that. Yeah, it's just if you don't know, any day, any day that follows a very volatile day like yesterday is gonna be just as choppy. So usually you need a minimum of anywhere between 24 to 48 hours for the market to come down. So taking trades today was very risky, and I hope you guys didn't get killed. I just gave all of my profits back. I took a 2 lot trade right in the beginning, and immediately I made $700, and I just gave everything back. So I'm done. All right, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day, and Happy New Year.